Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by measuring the stabilizer precisely, aim for 0, 3 to 0, 6% of the total mix. Hydrate it first in cold milk or water at 3 to 5 times its weight, whisking briskly so the powder disperses and doesn't clump. Once you have a smooth slurry, pause briefly to check texture. This step prevents gelatinous specks later. Make sure to use a fine whisk and work quickly. A smooth dispersion is the foundation for an even, stable ice cream base. Once done hydrating, pour the slurry into your milk and cream while whisking steadily so the stabilizer disperses evenly. Heat the combined mix to about 75 to 85 degrees Celsius and hold for 2 to 4 minutes. This activates many hydrocolloids and denatures proteins for body. Make sure to stir gently to avoid incorporating excess air. After heating, cool the mix rapidly to 4 degrees Celsius to set viscosity. Strain if you see any residual particles. This step builds the structure that prevents iciness and improves scoopability. You now churn to soft set using your ice cream machine, following its usual cycle until the mix thickens and holds some shape. Once churned, transfer to a container and age the ice cream in the fridge at 4 degrees Celsius for 4 to 24 hours so the stabilizer fully hydrates and the texture firms. When ready, freeze solid. If the finished ice cream is icy or lax body, increase stabilizer by 0.1% next time, and confirm you cooled the mix quickly after heating to prevent large ice crystals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.